Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, the remote device or resource won't accept the connection fix in Windows. First method is type inetcpl.cpl in Windows search bar, click inetcpl.cpl. Click Connections, click LAN Settings. Make sure, uncheck Automatically Detect Settings, also uncheck Use a Proxy Server for your LAN, click Apply, click OK. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type ipconfig /release. Type ipconfig /renew. Third method is type inetcpl.cpl in Windows search bar, click inetcpl.cpl. Click Advanced tab, click Restore Advanced Settings, click Apply, click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.